Hello, welcome back to the channel. In my last video, I documented my journey along the routes between New York City and Niagara Falls. This one is about how I spent my 24 hours at the falls. On the American side, near the falls and along the river, there's a sufficient number of hotels and vacation rentals. This made it easy to get to the falls as they were just a short walk away. After checking into our hotel around 4 pm, we headed straight to the Maid of the Mist boat cruise, the oldest and best known tourist attraction at Niagara Falls. We boarded the boat via the observation tower and were given blue rain ponchos to protect us from the mist. On the Canadian side, people get the red ones. The 30-minute journey along the river took us to the base of the American and Horseshoe Falls. It crosses briefly into Canada during a portion of the trip.
Probably just put it back.
After the boat cruise, we headed to the Old Falls Street to find a place to eat. It starts as you exit the Niagara Falls State Park. There are plenty of restaurants and food trucks in this area, so we had no trouble finding something to our liking. Beginning at dusk, the falls are illuminated in an array of colors. And in summers, if you stay at the falls till 10 pm, you get to see a 5-minute fireworks display. The schedule can be found on the Niagara Falls USA website, which I'll link in the description below. The next morning, we headed back to the state park. This time we took a ride on the vintage style Niagara scenic trolley. It's a great way to get around the park and see all the major attractions. You can hop on and hop off at any time. The trolley took us to Goat Island, which offers a perfect view of the Horseshoe Falls. Most of the Horseshoe Falls is located on the Canadian side, but you can get a great view of it from the Goat Island. यहाँ से slip हुआ तो On this island, you can take a guided tour to the Cave of the Winds. This tourist attraction takes you down to the level of the Niagara River, right at the base of the Bridal Veil Falls. And around 2 pm, we left Coat Island and headed back to New York. But on the way, we decided to stop at the Niagara Falls Underground Railroad Heritage Center. It's less than a 10 minute drive from the falls, and the center has documented stories of freedom seekers and abolitionists. And that's how I spent my 24 hours at Niagara Falls. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and got some useful info. See you in the next one.